Okay, so this is a brief introduction to the equipment that will be used for the radioactivity experiment. First we have the optics bench with the two carriages. Be using a lab stand. This is the Geiger Müller counter. This is the sample holder. The sample goes in the center hole there, and it contains two grooves that will be used to hold the shields. As for the shields, there are several different kinds. There are lead shielding, labeled Q through T, of order of increasing thickness. Those thicknesses can be found in the appendix in the lab manual. We have the aluminum shield, and then there are two paper shields. This is tissue paper, and this is ordinary printer paper. For our samples, there are 5 different ones. Disc samples. Our gamma sources are cesium-137, cobalt-60, and sodium-22. The sodium-22 is quite a bit more active than the other two and will be used for the inverse square law activity. The beta source is strontium-90, and the alpha source is polonium-210. The liquid source, this is a radioisotope generator, and this is the eluting solution. These will be used for the half-life activity. The data is taken with DataStudio with a ScienceWorkshop 750 interface.